Hey lovelies, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristin and I share all things wellness, consistency and my own weight loss journey. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out something new in my routine, which is the Gymproluxe Band Bar Set 2.0. They kindly sent this over for me to try, and so I thought I'd do a proper workout with it and share how I got on. As many of you know, I've been working out at home a lot lately. I just find that it really suits my lifestyle currently, so I'm always looking for like a simple kit here and there that I could just quickly use to sort out my workout for the day. So when Gymproluxe reached out to me about sending me this product and I looked it up, I was actually quite curious to see how this would work, because it's not only the resistance bands, which obviously everyone can easily get, it's also the bar as well. It came in 2 pieces, so I've just screwed it together to make one long bar here, and then the band goes up to has resistance up to 90 kg. That is crazy, right? In the set, you get a resistance belt, different band strengths, and the bar itself, which is much sturdier than I expected. It all clips together quite easily, and the whole thing packs down into a little carry bag. Great if you're traveling or short on space. Okay, so I've got my workout here, so I know exactly what it is that I'm doing. So let's give it a proper go. I'm just really going to do a full body workout, or not really full body, but just a full workout just to show you how I use it. I am going to be starting with some deadlifts today. So how this works is you step on the band and then we use the bar. Okay, so 2, 3. Ooh. Can actually feel those in the back of my thighs. Wow, wow, wow. That's intense. So you can also do this without the band and just hang on to this directly. And that's it. 1, 2. Now we're going to do some lateral raises. The resistance is resisting, guys. Whee, that is tight. I don't think I've ever lifted 10 kgs each arm, but that's the minimum that this can do. Moving on to upper body, we can start with some chest flies. Okay, so you just have this flat against your back, like so. You can even kneel down for this one. And we're just going to fly it out. 8, you really have to pull. Woo. Definitely felt that. So we can also do seated back rows with the bar. So we put our feet in and then we put the bar, and what you want to do is same thing. Keep your legs straight, keep your back straight. Like I said, full body workout, because this is killing my biceps. We can also work on our biceps while standing. So it just goes like this. Let's kneel because of my height. 1, that's it. Guys, I don't know who's lifting 90 kg on this, but I'm just doing 20, 10 on each side. And that is, that is actually killing me. So for those that are tall like me, you can also do individuals. So rather than doing the full 20, so we step in here, over here, and we just raise for bicep curl. 2. Okay, I mean, you can see me melting, you can see me sweating, but real talk, let's talk about this equipment. It's obviously not the same as lifting heavy in the gym, but it does give a very intense feeling for home workouts. It is effective, and obviously it's literally this. Like, you can literally pop this in your bag, you can literally just have it on the go. So if you're looking for something on the go, I think it's a really good option. The bar obviously splits in 2 for easy carriage, and obviously it comes with the bag as well, which is nice to just transport it everywhere you need to go. So if sometimes, like, you know, for a busy mother like myself, the day has gone by and, you know, you haven't been able to make it to the gym is now closed, at least you've got this option at home to still be able to get in, you know, those weights, because obviously weights are the thing that help you lose weight. Strength training, guys, you have to keep up with the strength training. Cardio is nice, but strength training is what will keep you constantly burning throughout the course of the day. So I highly recommend it. It is something nice to have. I mean, I will not cut out gym for it, but it is a great option for home workouts without having to buy multiple different sizes of dumbbells, because obviously this one can grow with you. As I said, it goes from about 10-20 kg to about 90 kg. I mean, when will I ever start lifting 90 kg weight, guys? Yeah, I really enjoyed that. It was really intense, you know, made me sweat quite a fair bit, because I've never actually lifted 20 kgs, to be fair. I think I'm currently at about 6'6", so that's 12 in the gym currently, but this will help me try and stay consistent as well while saving space in my home, because I don't have a home gym, so this is nice as well. If you fancy giving this a go yourself, I've popped the link in the description box for your use. You can also use my discount code at checkout for a little discount. The code is Kristin81449. Let me know if you've used anything like this before, or what your go-to home workout setup is. I absolutely love hearing what's working for you guys, so do leave me a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next one, bye.
Wanna say, Lord, I'm grateful, Lord, I'm thankful for everything that you have done. It's a beautiful day. I've come to say, Lord, I'm grateful, Lord, I'm thankful for everything that you have done. It's a